I don't know when I drop asleep on the sofa at my mother's house last night. The next morning, I wake up with a craving for peanut porridge. But I wanted the real deal. Actual coconut oats and plantain. I had no idea where to get the peanuts. But Florette was sell the coconut and plantain point me the direction of our house. Tuesday had some fresh peanut in mind. Anyway, I don't know that dog, but let's call him Rex. Rex did look very happy. It was a nice Sunday morning. I was feeling good because I get all the ingredients what I want. See some man playing some Sunday morning ball. In no time I was back at Miss P. Blink Miss P ox out the coconut. I know I'm not the only one who help themselves to 2 pieces of coconut when their mother cook. I did some fever peanut porridge, but I never say I made it that gonna make it, right? Now I find this hot. I don't know where my mother get it from. I think it bring out my handsome side. I don't know how my mother works so fast, but in no time she grate her off all the coconut. The coconut did done hit the blender. Coconut milk was ready and Miss P drop a little water with some cinnamon in the pot. Then she take the coconut milk and add some oats to it into a blender.